DMBC, the Commissioners for the Registered Home Service, introduced a new annual monitoring tool called the Quality Improvement Framework, known as QIF, earlier in the year. The Registered Home Service agreed to be involved in the pilot for this tool, which is now being rolled out to all registered care homes in Doncaster. The tool captures both care and housing related support needs and tests out if the registered care home is compliant with the contractual requirements as agreed with DMBC. Preparation for the visit made by the Contract Monitoring Officer from DMBC to the home to undertake the monitoring tool is key to a successful outcome. The Contract Monitor Officer from DMBC requires 3 days to complete the monitor tool in the home, and prior to this a desktop review of evidence provided by the home is undertaken. This evidence is delivered to the DMBC office in these files approximately 1 week before the visit to the home. The process of the Quality Improvement Framework is as follows. 17 standards are monitored on an annual basis. Policies and procedures, business continuity, security, health and safety, access, diversity and inclusion, assessment and care planning, medication management, access to health, infection control, end-of-life care, nutrition, safeguarding, personal monies, quality assurance, resident choice and involvement, environment, privacy and confidentiality, and staff recruitment. Following the monitor, a level is then awarded for each objective, A, B or C, or standard not met, and the service is also awarded an overall level. The Quality Improvement Framework documentation and evidence file are working documents, and once completed they should be updated on an ongoing basis. The aim of the Quality Improvement Framework is to improve standards across all areas. The QIF file is a live document, and its purpose is to be a receptacle for the collection of evidence that standards are being met. DMBC cross-referenced the evidence in the file with the information submitted on each standard. Each registered manager is responsible for the maintenance and development of the QIF files. However, this also has to be a team effort, as DMBC expects all team members to be aware of the file's existence and the content. This is achieved by the QIF file being discussed as a rolling agenda item at staff meetings. The file is populated with copies of information specific to the home, which the staff team are very familiar with, as this information provides guidance for the care and support delivered to the service users. The file also contains information, policies and guidance produced by the Trust. Any new information produced by the Trust that may be appropriate to use as evidence is discussed at the monthly managers meeting, with copies distributed and a remit given regarding which section of the QIF file to put the information in. The registered care homes involved in the pilot have received excellent feedback from DMBC following the monitor visits from DMBC to assess the standards against the Quality Improvement Framework, and we are continually reviewing and adding to the documentation and evidence files in preparation for the home's next DMBC monitor. The evidence collated for QIF can also be utilised during CQC inspections at the home.